Hi, I'm Dave Ward with the Ward Law Firm, and we help parents protect the things that matter most. So something that we frequently are asked by our estate planning clients is, well, what happens if I don't do any estate planning at all? So what will happen is your assets will go through probate and our intestacy laws. Every state has its own intestacy laws. So depending on where you pass away and where your probate is filed, those laws will control what happens to your things. Here in Georgia, our intestacy laws state that if you're married, your spouse, and if you have children, your children will share equally in your estate. There is one little proviso that says that your spouse, regardless, shall get at least 1/3 of your estate. But if you think about that, that could be an enormous problem for people who are married and, for example, have small children. What if the kids are only a few months old? What if they're still minors? What if they're irresponsible and don't know how to take care or manage money? These things can become major problems for people. The intestacy laws after that point move down a pecking order of what we call degrees of relationship. Here in Georgia, it typically goes from your spouse, then to your kids, and then after that would be your parents, then your siblings, then your grandparents, and then to any aunts and uncles, and then finally first cousins is the last named degree that we have in Georgia for our intestacy laws. In each of those situations, at each level, they would be distributed in what we call per stirpes, which means that if you have 3 siblings and each of those 3 siblings have 2 children, and one of those siblings passes away and you die and it gets down to the level where your siblings are, 2 siblings that are still living will each get 1/3, and then the final third will be divided equally between the number of surviving children of your the other sibling who has passed away. So that's what per stirpes means. But that's how intestacy law breaks things down in terms of distributing your assets. For most people, this is not the way that they would have chosen to have their things given to people at all. And that's why it's important to make sure that you take some time to think about what are the things that you do want to have happen, and make sure that you take the steps necessary to ensure that those things are going to happen. It's never pleasant having to contemplate your own mortality, but what's more unpleasant is leaving a mess for your family to clean up after you're gone. If you have any questions about this, give us a call. We can help avoid that mess for you. I'm Dave Ward with the Ward Law Firm, and we help parents protect the things that matter most. If you have any questions about anything in this video, contact us or visit our website, and let's see how we can help you.